In this tutorial, I will show you pen tool in Adobe Photoshop. This will be continued part of the previous lessons. So let's dive into this. So I would like to show you, if I want to access pen tool and I am pressing P from the keyboard, and you can see that pen tool has been appeared. So now I am, here is stroke only and fill is turned off. So I am creating an anchor point here and I am clicking another anchor point here. You can see the pen tool is working and no asterisks. If an asterisk appeared in the pen tool cursor, below the pen tool cursor, so it will allow us to create new shape, but now the asterisk is absent. So if I want to make this open path, I need to either pressing escape from the keyboard. I am pressing escape and you can see that asterisk has now showed. So I can now easily make another shape with the pen tool, but now it is not possible. You can see no asterisk is shown here. So I am clicking here and the asterisk back again, so I can create new shape. Now here is I can see, you can see that the line. So I am pressing enter from the keyboard, you can see these are gone. So this was the open path and this was the closed path. If I am creating another anchor point and drag it to the below. So now if I want to click here and dragging it, so mistakenly I do not want to make the space between those two anchor points too large. I want to make it more smaller. So what I can do, I will press space bar from the keyboard and now I am able to move this anchor point in any area, in any point or any size I want. So I am releasing this space bar. Also, if I hold down space bar along with shift, you can see now my movement will be straight or diagonal you can see that. So that was the space bar. If I want to make smaller or larger the position of the anchor point, I am releasing those and clicking enter from the keyboard. So now I want to show you, I am clicking here and if I hold down shift from the keyboard, I can create a straight line. I am holding shift and click, you can see these are straight line. Also I can make another straight line here. These are perfect straight line. Also I can make diagonal line with shift. I was holding down shift key. Also I am creating an anchor point here and make it anchor point. You can see these are two handles. These are two handles which control the shape or line. So you can see the line is slightly diagonal. So if I hold down shift, it will be a straight line. You can see I am pressing shift. See that the handles is now, or you can make it diagonal. It will be go diagonal or a straight line. I am holding down shift from the keyboard. So that was for this tutorial. I will show you pen tool continued part from tomorrow's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson, and if you like, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.